Good morning everyone. So today we're actually in a little town called Nijmegen, I think it's pronounced. There we go. It's a little town in the Netherlands. Apparently it's actually the oldest town in the Netherlands. 2,000 years old. What else? I had more fun facts. Apparently it's really great for shopping. Really great shops here, and I think it's like a cute little quaint town. Obviously it's so old. I'm sure it's gonna look really old and have a lot of history. And it's actually the second last day. We're gonna leave tomorrow. We actually leave Nijmegen at about 5 o'clock this afternoon and we'll head back to Amsterdam. I'm just going to take you on a little tour around the ship. You probably have seen quite a lot of it anyway in all my other vlogs because I have been showing snippets of it, but I'll try and give you like a little tour of the ship as much as I can, because at the moment I don't think there'll be many people on the ship because everyone's exploring. So let's go. Some guy stopped me and talked to me for about 10 minutes, and then just after a while he started talking to me about God, and I was just like, please leave me alone.
Then you tell me that you don't believe it.
That's what I'm
or
saying.
A believer.
I'm just neither. Neither of them.
Just a believer. Also, you believe in yourself. Please, you believe in yourself.
Yeah, of course I do.
If you believe in yourself, you believe in God, because you are Maria.
Okay.
You are Maria. And I am Jesus Christ, superstar. And then I have a child, then he is a Jesus Christ superstar, or baby Maria.
Okay.
And then I am not God, I'm Joseph. Have a nice day. I'm the father. See you.
Bye. Cute little quaint shops.
Yeah, but we don't. Well, it wouldn't be a good sell if you didn't have 4 children.
No, it wouldn't. No. Fruit and shit. Oh, what's that? Some dried fruit in the window.
Gotta get it when no one's here, so it's very aesthetic. It's like a legitimate use for those spikes, but it looks like they're gonna light on fire and turn into a coal.
So, what do you think of Nijmegen so far?
It's still very empty, and the only thing good was the American shop.
We're just at this nice big church at the moment. Very pretty. Let's go around here. Still very Christmassy. Nice. Oh look, there's the Canadians. Oh hi! Fancy seeing you here.
We're missing you guys. Okay, good.
Oh.
What did you buy?
Just some biscuits, just biscuits. And stroop waffles. Got some really cute names for things like nibbles and prickles.
Like a swamp.
We're at this pretty park with this big tower and the crazy, would you say the crazy bird man? Just
Yeah,
fed
bird
all
man.
the
Just made them all go crazy. I'm
all the
afraid they're
birds.
gonna show.
Yeah, let's go. Have we stumbled upon an actual an attraction? got such cute little backyards though. What are you doing? Oh, look at the dog. Hello.
Good girl.
Oh, another one. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's cute.
Oh no, it's this fashion break.
Just my fashion wall.
It's going to be a bit more aloof and straight.
Is it European or gay?
What
Are you gonna have a go?
Listen, I'm the maze master.
You're the maze master.
Watch how an American does it.
He's going to twist and fall in.
Be careful!
Keep filming because he's going to fall in at some point.
Oh, 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 oh. We're just gonna show off a bit. Bye! We came back to the ship and had some lunch. I had some pasta and some soup, and they were both really, really delicious. What was this again?
Is it a banana and caramel
Bread
bread and
pudding?
butter pudding?
You got yours looks a bit more.
A little bit
Look how
fancy.
much stuff we got.
Messy.
We'll see if I eat that.
In the afternoon, we had a walking tour of Nijmegen. I know we just explored it, but we just thought, oh well, we've got the afternoon as well. We might as well do the walking tour. We went to a few different little places that we didn't see before. We've all got our sunglasses on.
Indeed. Good afternoon.
Hello, how are you?
Our groups are on this side for the Mahler.
Okay.
Group 3 and 4.
Yeah? You coming with us?
What's important client?
You're the last one.
You can go to group number 3.
Okay.
What group are you going to be in?
Yeah.
Yeah, which group are you going to be in?
Probably one that I like.
Ours.
So, not with us then.
Yeah, I think that was a hint.
Whatever one you're in, I'm not.
So more than 2,000 years ago, and that has to do with the Romans who were here.
I was just going to tell everyone about how boring the tour is.
This is so
Okay, I don't want to be mean and say it's so boring, but it's a bit too much information.
It's not being mean, it's being true.
And it's really cold.
She's too nice.
No, I'm out of breath going up the steps. But it's a little bit boring, but I think we're going to try and escape. Nice little view of the bridge. Very pretty. Okay, what are you going to pick next, Nick?
I have no idea. I think I'm gonna go for the. See, I might go with you and do the pink flower actually.
That's the pink flower.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
She said that was not fun.
The drink I got.
Class was like,
I think I'm going to go for, let me have a look. I think, well, this sounds nice, the Stepford sister.
I might get that too. Yeah. Stepford sister. Liqueur. Liqueur.
I think you should get something different to me because then we can both try each other's.
That's true. I'm gonna get the cable car.
Okay, yeah, you said that before.
Yeah. If I'm going rum, I'm getting the cable car with the spice rum. Yeah. We'll rate them out of 10 and we'll tell the bartenders how good or bad they are.
right. And you know what? Like, it's your true dream if you don't go on and you. And she's from here, so this is her.
She was the one who did the tour with us.
And
Nice!
How much out of 10?
so the first 30 minutes, you only have
I didn't really like like it. It's
How much-
okay. I think maybe like a 5.
Like a vlog.
Oh, a 5 out of 10, huh?
Yeah.
Ruins kind of or whatever.
What do you think of yours?
I rate the cable car. You know, I've already drank it. I rated it a 9 out of 10.
You know, like everything.
It has a perfect blend of
What
spice.
does it taste like?
So we're not even there.
See it, taste it, taste it.
So what's in this one?
It's spiced rum.
Spice rum. Yeah, we started.
Story about what happened.
I like the cinnamon around the top there.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. Do the same thing. Say hi.
No, this is our menu. This is a tapas type. It's mean we are preparing small portion of appetizer and
Should we
small
go order
portions
some
of
more
main courses.
cocktails?
And our strategy for this evening is just prepare one of each for couple. We are in 6. It's mean 3 of each.
Okay.
To try everything, but this is just my idea,
Okay.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
you can just trust me and try,
Yeah, sure.
or you can mix whatever you want.
Is there anything
You know what, Tomas? You're my angel. I'll trust you. Trust you. Look at this. It's on the rock.
It's not your meat.
Thank you.
No. Do you know what you missed by not coming to the beer tasting?
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Amazing meat.
And I've been Googling it.
It's good.
This one is salmon.
Yeah. We shouldn't tell you.
That's good to hear. Oh, what's this?
That is the Caesar salad dressing for the deconstructed.
I don't know.
Caesar
I think
salad.
I think it's salmon.
That is
Is it? Yeah.
and this is 4 types of pork.
I know what I'm starting. Oh, for real?
Yes.
And the
Extremely hot, yeah?
Amazing shrimp that Tomas, my angel, just brought us. And if you guys don't know, Tomas is my angel because he always knows what I want at every moment of the
Why is
day.
he the angel? Why is he the angel?
He knows what I want at every moment of the day, no matter what. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, he knows exactly.
I know, but
He's practically my butler. I wish he was my butler because that would be
So,
amazing.
should we try these, babe?
Yes, we should. What is
yeah. So spaghetti with
So it's gonna be pretty hot.
What
I hope.
kind of
So we're gonna burn. We're gonna burn our
maybe,
tacos.
so maybe
However.
some cherry tomatoes in there as
A little
well.
bit of garlic, maybe.
Yeah, lots of garlic, yeah. Yeah, that's like it's all like food, and then a little bit of music here and there.
I like it. I dig it.
Beer.
Really juicy. Are they just yours?
I mean, if you want one, you can have.
With
What?
my mum. And Todd. I don't think Craig came with.
Well, hello there. And this was our last night on the cruise. So to finish off our last night, we had quite a few drinks, and at about 2 a.m. We docked in Amsterdam. Me and a few of the people from the cruise ship that we'd made friends with went out to a few bars in Amsterdam, so that was loads of fun. But we didn't get home until 5 a.m. and then I had to get up at 9 o'clock to get our bags out of the room because we had to get off the ship. So that was fun. And then just the next day we went out into Amsterdam and we had lunch with a few people from the cruise ship, and it was really nice. We had this nice it's kind of like a German pizza. I can't really remember what it was called. And then we said goodbye to all of our friends. It was really sad leaving everyone and leaving Nick and Carla. So I'm just going to end this video by giving you guys a little bit of rundown of what I thought of the cruise. I feel like it's probably not enough for a whole video, especially because we didn't pay for it. First, I just want to say we had the most amazingest time. We had so much fun. We met so many different people and we just had such a great time, me and my auntie Leah. Like, words can't describe how much fun we had. It was one of the best holidays I've ever had. It was really great to meet such a different group of people as well. Like, there was lots of different people from all over the world, a lot of Americans as well. It's made me think that I might like to go on a cruise in the future. I think I was always put off because it was also like inclusive, and sometimes we forget it's not all about where we are, what we're doing. It's the company that we have and the people that we meet is what makes the experience. I think sometimes I get too like put off by guided tours and like organized tours with lots of people, because I went on a big top deck tour years ago and it just was so organized and so like that it just really put me off it. But I feel like, you know, I should really try it again maybe. So anyway, to finish off this video, I just want to say I had the best time on this cruise, and I'm so grateful that my auntie gets amazing opportunities like this and she chose me to take with her. So I hope you enjoyed this cruise, Crystal Cruises vlog series. I hope it was good because you got like a bit of an insight of what Crystal Cruises is really like. So don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you've ever been on a Crystal Cruise, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.